Unit 147. Pretty nice. To the right, we have a bathroom. Let me turn the light on. Oh, that was a light. There we go. Pretty nice little bathroom. Nice size, sink, and a shower. Walk in, not bad. And let's go back out. Got some art here. Washer and dryer. Got a nice little kitchenette here. Nice little area. And let's walk over here and so it's in this refrigerator. Not bad at all. Got a little cupboard here. Couch. The bed. Another chair. And little eatery place as well. Little book explaining everything while you're here. Another little dresser. TV. By the way, it is a smart TV. Air conditioning. Little closet. Let's walk outside. Not bad view. No. It is what it is, but hey, it's still good. And yes, a building under construction. Goes all the way up. But yeah, view of the parking lot. But yeah, I'm going to get off of here and go get our things so we can settle in for the night. Y'all have a good day. Bye, y'all.